So let's just begin to move through our legs. So take your hands to your hips and take your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. And then bend your knees and then straighten. You're just quite nice and small. Bend your knees and straighten. And try to keep that belly drawn in. Draw the shoulders back towards the wall behind you. Lift and lengthen through your crown of the head. Toes facing forward rather than out to the side. Bend your knees and straighten. Bend your knees and straighten. So it's also really important to straighten your legs and straighten your glutes. So you keep that pelvis area in particular with the glutes nice and strong and supported in alignment. And that in turn helps to keep that back in alignment as well. And once more, bending and straightening. Okay, weight into one foot. So here you might need to hold on to something. Extend the leg out, flex through the foot. Point the toes toward the floor. Flex the foot, draw the toes towards the shin, and pointing. Flex the toes, and pointing. So as we're doing that, as we flex the toes in particular, you're engaging through the upper legs, the quads. Pointing and flexing. And when you flex through the foot as well, you're stretching out through the back of the leg, the calf muscle. Pointing and flexing, and once more. And releasing. Other leg out in front, so don't be afraid to hold onto the wall if you need to. Draw the shoulders down away from the ears. Point the toes and flex. Point the toes and flex. So you might be surprised actually how wobbly you are. If you don't practice balance every day, many people are waving or wobbling to and fro here. So keep that belly drawn in. That helps to keep your core engaged and help you keep that balance. When you haven't got any support there, it can be really, really wobbling. Remember when I was 11 and I had my appendix out, I was very over like this. We need that core support to help us stay in an upright position, to help us with our posture. Last one. Good. And release. Okay, I'll turn this way just so you can see me a little better. Weight into the right foot, left foot out to the side, and then tapping down. Left foot to the side, and tapping down. Extending the leg out, and tapping. You'll probably feel the glutes engage in here. So just go as far as you're able to. It doesn't have to be very high. Try to keep this part of the body nice and centered so you're not leaning over. You might need to lean over a little bit. Try to keep as centered as you can. Last one. And release. And giving the legs a little shake. Bend down, just give them a massage to the fronts of the knees, the sides of the knees, and the backs of the knees. Okay, weight into the left leg. Right leg out to the side, tip of the toe down, shoulders down away from the ears, belly drawn in. Lift and lengthen through the crown of the head. Extend the leg away and tap down. Extend the leg away and tap down. And I said as we took our leg out to the left, you feel it in the glute, but also you might feel it in that standing leg as well. Extending and extending. Again, try not to lean over too much if you can. As long as that feels okay for you on your back. If you need to lean over to ease off at all, then please do. Always listen to your body. Last one. And releasing. Bending one knee and then the other. One knee and then the other. So back into your squat. Gentle squat. Bend the knees and straighten. Weight into the right leg. Left leg out to the side. Extending out. Tapping down 3 times. Extending out. Tapping down. Extending out. Tapping down. And release. Into a squat. Belly drawn in. Straighten. Leg extends. Extend away. Tap down. Extend away. Tap down. Last one. And release. Bending the knees. Straighten. Weight into the right foot. Left foot out. Extend away and tap. You might feel the muscles at the side of the waist working as well. Last one. Bending. Straightening, switching sides. Leg extends, rise and lower. Left and lower. And lift and lower. Draw the leg in and bend in the knees and straighten. Weight, from this way, weight into the right foot, up onto the tip of the toe. That might be enough. And then straighten. Other side, tip of the toe, and straighten. If that feels okay, lift the knee higher, extend the leg out, bend the knee, release the foot. So either tip of the toe, that might be plenty. You might be able to lift up higher. Flex the foot, draw the leg in, and release. Either tip of the toe, leg lifts, extend the leg, bend, and lower. Tip of the toe or higher. Extend the leg, bend, and lower. Tip of the toe or higher, extend the leg, and lower. Last one. Good. Both heels lift and lower. Bend the knees and straighten. Heels lift and lower. Bend the knees and straighten. And just giving those knees a little massage there. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you got on. How was your balance? Remember, if you're watching live, type in live. You can see people are watching, they haven't typed in anything yet. And if you're watching on a replay, type replay. So I'll be going live on my page, on this group rather, every day of the week. I haven't got a solid time at the moment, but I've put in what times I am doing this week, so do check the post and you'll find the details. If you haven't already downloaded my 4 tips to a pain-free back, then visit yogakenshin.com/4tips, and I'd love to see if that can help you, and I'd love to see you again later this week. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.